to my channel. You know what time it is. It is time for another Temu haul, and today's haul is going to be women's clothing. Now, I got a couple of shirts from them my last haul, and I absolutely love their shirts. They're on the thin side, but I'm very happy with what I got, and I wanted to get some more. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got with Temu. And you want to know what the heck is Temu? Temu is a online ordering place that you guys can order stuff, and it is super cheap. It does ship pretty fast, but there are some delays. They do offer you like credits and stuff if something does go wrong, which is perfect. They have really good customer service. But if you guys are new to Temu, I actually have a 30% code. It is PICK, so P-I-C-K 8323, and you guys can put that in the promotion code when you go to the checkouts, and you can get 30% off additionally of everything that I shared with you, or however you want. I'm gonna warn you guys that a lot of the stuff I share with you today may or may not be available when you are watching this, but it will be available if you can try to find it. I do have all the links below, so if you guys find something you like, you just click the link below and it'll take you to my storefront, and you guys can see everything that I got. But one thing I absolutely love, it is free shipping. So you can get one item, you can get 100 items. It is free shipping, and that is what I am super excited for. So let's just dig in, you guys. I have a whole box full of stuff that I'm super excited to share with you. So one thing I absolutely love is a lot of my stuff came in these reusable bags. Now, I have a lot of them already as it is, but these are super good. I think I'm going to bring like a bunch of them when I go on vacation, because one thing I like about these is you can actually just put them in, like you can put your day's outfit in there and then like pack them on top of each other. So if you guys are looking for stuff like that. So this is a shirt. Now, I'm in the middle of I wear a large, and then sometimes I wear an extra large, but now with me losing some weight, I'm in a medium. And I looked at this shirt, and this shirt, I can't remember. I think I ordered as an extra large because I do know they run a little bit small. But to me, I feel like this shirt might be a little too big. So this is like a little tank top. It was $6.27, and I think this is an extra large, but I kind of wanted something on the baggier side, but it looks totally different than on me. But actually, when I'm wearing it, it's kind of loose, and I thought these would be kind of cute to wear with leggings or something. I wanted something a little loose, a little flowy, but for $6.27, I thought this was cute. And I don't really wear blue. I'm not a blue person, but I have blue eyes, so, you know, everything looks good with blue on me. So I don't know, I kind of wish I got maybe a large, but like their sizes are so different. Now, if you guys are getting clothes, I recommend definitely reading the reviews, looking at what it says, what people post. I love it when people post pictures, because like your body shape might be the same body shape as theirs. But this looks huge in person, but it doesn't look that big on me. But I thought this would be really cute with some leggings or something like that, if I wanted to wear that. But that was $6.27. Now this shirt keeps selling all the time, selling out all the time. This shirt was $4.39, and like I said, I did order a bunch of 2 different sizes because I'm not sure how it was, but I think I ordered this as a medium, maybe. Sometimes they do show what they are, and sometimes they don't. So this is just like a regular purple tank top. It is a little see-through. Like I can see my ring light. I can't see my screen, but I can see my ring light. But this, I think, is a medium. And I thought this would be cute, little something to wear. So I think I did get this in an 810. So again, $4.39 for this cute little top. It's super soft. I feel like it feels like kind of like an athletic kind of shirt, but I love it. I love it, and it looks like it doesn't wrinkle. So we got something like that. Here is another shirt. Now this is the one I'm so excited for, you guys, and the price is awesome. $3.89 for this shirt. $3.89. Now I had one size that I wanted to get the 810 or the 810, which is a large, and it was sold out. But then all of a sudden the extra large popped up, and I thought I'll get it. But I really, really liked it on the model. Now, to me, it's like a print. I thought it was like an actual tie-dye, but I mean, it's white on the inside. But I thought this might be a cute little shirt to wear. But I did order it as an extra large, I think. I'm going to try this one out because I just really want to see what it looks like on me. But for $3.89, you can't go wrong with that. And I think I was reading the reviews that it went, yeah, don't look at me, I'm a little fat today. But I thought this would be kind of cute to wear. I mean, it doesn't help when I'm wearing a t-shirt under it, but it fits actually pretty good. And if you guys are interested in a shirt and you're like, okay, what size did you order? I can let you know what size I ordered. I just have to go back to my thing and see what size I did order, because if you guys are about the same shape as me, then you kind of have an idea. But I've been really kind of like wearing the tighter fitting clothes, but I want to say this one was an extra large because the other one sold out, but honestly I cannot remember for that one for sure. This one, I don't remember the size for this, but this was $6.79, and I thought this was super cute. And it's kind of like a little tank top is what it is, and then it's got some ruching with that you just tie to make it a little bit tighter. But I thought this would be kind of a cute thing. I do have to get like some kind of a different bra, but I think I ordered this as, I don't remember what I ordered this one as either, but I thought this is something kind of cute. It's something different, something I don't wear, but it would go good, you know, with my casual summer wear. So I got that one. This one is super cute. This was $6.17. Now, also keep in mind that some of these prices might be different when you guys order this stuff, but, or never mind, this is just this one, when I looked it on the model, it looked really good. Now looking at it in person, this is not what I was thinking it was. This is just like a plain, regular shirt. Now this one does have a tag on it. It does say it's a large, so this will probably actually fit me kind of tight, but, I kind of like it. I mean, it's just like a regular pink tank top. Super easy. It'll be good just to go run errands and all that stuff. So I kind of like that one. This is a shirt I think I was talking about. So this was $6.69. I got new bags to last me like every single day of the week if I wanted to do planning for clothes. So yes. This one, I can't remember. Okay, so this one looks like this might be an extra large. There is a tag in it. It is 95% polyester. So the one thing about this being polyester is I can actually put sublimation on this. So if I saw, like, since the bottom's like a purple and the pink is a top, I could always put a design on here if I really wanted to. Like, you don't have to get craft clothes. You can get pretty much anything that has polyester in it. But this was $6.69, and I think this looks like an extra large. But if something doesn't feel right, I can always have my mom help me. She's a sewer, so I can have her take it in. Okay, this is the shirt I was really excited for. This one, I've been eyeing it up for the longest time. So this one was $7.17 for this one. It's again a two-tone, which I'm pretty excited for. And this one, I think I ordered it as, okay, this one says it's an extra large, but it looks kind of small. It is very see-through. I mean, I'm looking right through it, and I mean, with both sides, and I can see my ring light. I can't see my screen, but I can see my ring light. I didn't think that the pocket, there was a pocket on it, but that's okay. But one thing I do like is the pocket matches perfectly with it. I think what they did is I think they maybe dyed the shirt. Oh no, because it's white on the inside. I don't know. But this shirt is also 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So it looks like this would be just perfect on me. I mean, it's an extra large again, but it looks like it would fit me. So that's one thing I don't understand about sizes, but I absolutely love this. And I can always just wear a tank top underneath, but I loved that two-tone color on it. So actually, I'm gonna get this one. This one was $8.47 for this. So this says it's an extra large. This one looks huge on me, but I can't remember if it was wavy. Like some of the models have like a wavy shirt, but I feel like this might be a little too big for me on my hips. But I really like the color. I really like it. Again, it's an extra large, so this would have been something I would have gotten probably in a large. But we will see, and you guys will see the clothes that I wear when I do my videos, so we got that. Now this is something I'm going to wear for like Memorial Days is it's coming up soon. And then like there's 4th of July. But this is a shirt that I thought would be super cute to wear on 4th of July or any kind of hot day. And you can wear it all summer long actually. So it is a red, white, and blue shirt. Now this is a large. Now it looks big. It looks big for being a large. But I think it's super cute. I really like it. I always like wearing, you know, patriotic stuff oh, I can't think of the 4th of July, but it's always so hot outside. But this is a very thin material. I'm going to say all these materials are very thin, but they're still cute. I mean, it's perfect for summer, but I actually really like this. I think the picture may be slightly different, but I still really like it, and I'm very happy with that. I got a couple more shirts to share with you guys, and one that I've been really wanting for a long time. So this one is $7.59. I was kind of hesitant on this one, but I'm actually, we'll see how it looks. So it's like a 3-tone t-shirt. Now this one, I think I ordered it as an extra large. I mean, it looks huge. It looks huge on me, but I mean, I can try it on. I can try it on to let you guys know. Again, it is a very thin material. It is stretchable, so I like that. But maybe this is an 8-10. So, I mean, it's kind of loose on the bottom, but I can always just take it in a little bit. But this might be a medium, or this might be a large, so an 8-10, which actually looks pretty cool. So, yeah, we got that for that. So, I just might need to get some shirts. I have, like, a lot of commercial shirts, but I don't really have any plain shirts that I like to lounge in. And so, I definitely wanted to get some of that. So here is a black shirt. Now this was $7.99. I had to figure out what this one was. Now according to the picture, I'm very disappointed in this shirt. I'm sorry to give you my opinion on it, but I got it and it was like a lace top. It looked awesome on the model. Now I think I got this in an extra large because it looked really tiny, but this thing looks huge. I mean, it's just like a little lace top right here. And then, I mean, it looks like a bra in the back, but it's got wavy things to it. I don't know. I mean, it looks totally different in person, but I think I should have gotten a smaller size with this. But you know what? Let's just try it on. This is an extra large, so yes, I did get an extra large, but I feel like this might be, I don't know. It looks like I'm pregnant. It looks like I'm pregnant. But I might have my mom take it in or something. But it's good if you're pregnant. I have a gut, but yes. So got that black shirt, but that was, I don't remember. Now this one I am super excited for. Now when I first saw it, it was like in a beige color, and I'm not much of a beige person, but this was $12.09. And then I saw that they had it in black, and I had to get it. You guys, Rainbow Bright. It's Rainbow Bright. It's Rainbow Bright. This is an extra large. It is 65% polyester, 35% cotton. This actually feels like a good, it's not like a thick sweatshirt, but it actually feels like a very good, tough thing. Now in the wintertime, I like just lounging around in sweatshirts, but you guys, this is made in the 80s. I keep seeing all these shirts that say made in the 90s or a 90s person, which is fine because I grew up in the 90s, but I was born in the 80s. I grew up with Rainbow Bright, and I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. We're putting this on. We're putting it on because you can't go wrong with this. Now I know it was available in white, and I kind of wanted to get white, and the reason why is because I kind of want to paint it. I wanted to have it have splash marks on it. Okay, so my opinion. This is an extra large, you guys, and it fits me perfectly. I thought this was going to be huge, but it's like, it fits me perfectly. It fits me so nice. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So, I couldn't go wrong. I can't go wrong. They had a bingo shirt, you guys. It said like bingo buddies, but it's been sold out for like a couple months now. But I really want to get a bingo buddies shirt. Like, it was so cute. But I'm so happy to find Rainbow Bright, and especially if it says made in the 80s. I'm hoping to find maybe more like stuff from the 80s, like, you know, My Little Ponies and all that stuff. But that was super, super cute. So yes, I got a lot of clothes, but I'm just kind of in the middle of losing weight, and I'm kind of sick of my old stuff, and I thought that would be super cute. We're going on family vacation this summer, so I'm like, I gotta have some good photos, you know, to take stuff. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I've had good things with Temu. I've had problems, and I've talked about those, but it's nothing anything major. But again, if you guys are new to Temu and you want to try it out, definitely use my code PICK, P-I-C-K 8323, and you guys will get 30% off. Everything that I showed you will be in the link below. Now, if you are looking for a specific item and you can't find it in the link below, some of the items do, I think on the very, very bottom, show that they're sold out, so you guys can see it there. Or you can send me a message and I can try to help you find it, but I'm super excited for that. So if you guys, again, enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys for my next Temu haul. See you guys later, and bye-bye.